In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Meet link using your laptop in 2025. Whether you need to set up a meeting for later, start one right away, or schedule it for another time through your Google Calendar, I'll guide you through each step to make sure you're fully prepared to connect with friends, colleagues, or clients. To start, let's navigate to Google Meet by visiting meet.google.com on your laptop. If you have the Google Meet app, feel free to use that instead. Both options will get you to the right place. Once you're on the Google Meet homepage, you'll see a button that says New Meeting. Go ahead and click on that and you'll be presented with a few choices on how to proceed. If you're planning to meet later, select the option to create a meeting for later. This will generate a unique meeting link for you. Once you have this link, it's essential to share it with the people you plan to meet. You can do this via email, text, or any other communication platform that works for you. Just make sure your recipients have the link so they know where to join you online at the designated time. For those moments when you need to connect instantly, choose to start an instant meeting. This option allows you to jump right into a virtual room without any waiting. Simply click to join the meeting and you'll find yourself face to face in no time. It's perfect for spontaneous discussions or when time is of the essence. Alternatively, if you're looking to plan a meeting in advance, integrating Google Calendar into this process can be incredibly beneficial. Select the option to schedule a meeting in Google Calendar. Here you'll have the chance to set your precise meeting date and time. Additionally, you can include more detailed information like the meeting agenda or any preparatory work that needs addressing before you meet. Don't forget to add your guests. You can easily invite others by entering their email addresses directly within the calendar event. Once everything is in place, send out the invites. The meeting link will automatically be included in these invitations, so all your guests need to do is click to join at the selected time. And there you have it. These simple steps ensure creating a Google Meet link on your laptop is a breeze whether you're planning for later, jumping in right away, or scheduling ahead. Keep this guide handy the next time you prepare for a virtual meeting and you'll be set for success. Thank you for watching and happy meeting.